How to fix Spotify app crashing. So if the Spotify application is crashing on your smartphone, there could be various reasons for this. The first thing we will do is, if you're using Android, simply open up settings, and from settings you want to go to the option called apps. Now when you come to the apps tab, go to app management, and from here you can simply search for Spotify. When you do that, you'll be taken to the app info page on Android. By the way, this setting will only be available for Android. For iPhone users, you just have to offload the app. Now from here, you can go to this option called storage usage, and from here you can tap on clear cache, and if you want, you can also clear the data. Once you've done both of these, clearing the data will log you out of your account. So now go to your Play Store or your App Store, simply search for the Spotify app update. If it has an update, make sure to update it to the latest version. Not only that, you also want to make sure to update your device itself. So depending upon whichever phone you're using, try to look for a software update on your device and check if there's any sort of software update available for Android or iOS, and make sure to update it to the latest version, and also try to simply restart your phone. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.